Good day everyone, I am Jaira Matalib. So today I'm going to show you on how to solve the evaluating functions. So let's start. So our topic is about evaluating function. So we have here the given and the two problem that we will solve this day. So first is f of 3. So our input is 3. So we're going to replace the x to 3. So we have f of 3 is equals to 2 squared, 2x squared, 3 minus 3 times plus 1. And then all the x will be replaced by 3. So we have 2 times 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 1. And then 3 squared is 9. Minus 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1. And then next is 2 times 9 is equals to 18. Minus 9 plus 1. So, this is the final answer. Our input is f of 3 is equals to 18 minus 9 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So, this is how the evaluated value of f of 3, this function given. So, let's proceed to the other one. So, our input is negative 5. So, f of negative 5 is equal to 2 squared minus 3x plus 1. So, our input is negative 5. So, all the x will be replaced by negative 5. So, we have 2 times negative 5 squared minus 3. Wrong. Sorry, my fault. 2 times negative 5 squared minus 3 times negative 5 plus 1. So, negative 5 squared is 25. 25. And then, negative 3 times negative 5 is, negative 3 times negative 5 is 15. Plus 1. And then, 2 times 25 is 50. Plus 15 plus 1. So, our input is f of negative 5 is equal to 50 plus 15 is 65 plus 1 is 66. This is how the evaluative value of f of negative 5 given this function. So this is how we solve the evaluating function. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Bye-bye.